Hey everybody, it's Wednesday and it's already July 1st. Today's Insurance Minute, I want to talk about the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost. In a previous video, I talked about calculating your replacement cost value for your home and how you can use a formula to determine that. And actual cash value, or ACV for short, is another form of a settlement that you can insure your property, your home, your auto for. What ACV is the replacement cost of an item back when you actually originally purchased it, and then it's going to take into consideration depreciation. So for example, if you bought something say 10 years ago and it ends up getting ruined in a fire or it gets stolen and you have it on an actual cash value policy, it's going to take what the actual cost was at the time that you purchased it, and then it's going to also calculate the depreciation value from the time that you've owned it until the date of the loss. So typically replacement cost is a little bit better, but it can cost a little bit more. So just make sure you talk to your agent so you understand what type of settlement option you're getting when you are purchasing your insurance policy. So make sure you understand if it's a replacement cost policy or if it's actual cash value. Also keep in mind there are some carriers where all they offer is ACV depending on an age of the building and the item that you're trying to insure. So that's my tip for you this week. And also, quick reminder, effective today, the new Arizona liability limits have increased to the $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident, and $15,000 in property damage. So when you are shopping your insurance, remember those new state minimum liability limits are 25, 50, 15. So hope you guys are having a great week, and happy 4th of July to everyone.